Here I am going to show how to make tasty and crispy chicken bites. It takes only 10 minutes to prepare. Before jump into the video, please subscribe and follow our social media channels for more healthy food videos. Required ingredients: chicken pieces, all-purpose flour, pepper powder, rice flour, chili flakes, corn flour, salt, capsicum, curry leaves, onion, green chili, coriander powder, and cooking oil. In a bowl, take chicken pieces, salt, all-purpose flour, rice flour, corn flour, pepper powder, and chili flakes. Mix well. Add water if required. Fry the chicken pieces in boiled oil. Fry until it gets brown color. Now, take 1 tablespoon oil, add onion, capsicum, curry leaves, and green chilies. Fry 1 minute. Now, add fried chicken pieces and coriander powder. Now, the tasty and crispy chicken bites are ready. In the coming up video, I will show how to make strawberry banana milkshake. Thank you for watching and following.